In the previous video, you wrote your first Python program. Now it's time to understand something even more important: variables and data types. Don't worry, I will make this as simple as possible. Let's start with a question. How does a computer remember information? In Python, we use something called a variable. A variable is like a container that stores data. Let's see an example. Name equals John. Here, we created a variable called name, and we stored the value John inside it. Think of it like a label attached to a box. The label is name, and inside the box is John. Now, let's print it. Print, open parenthesis, name, close parenthesis. Python will display John. Simple, right? Now let's talk about data types. Data types tell Python what kind of data we are working with. For example, name equals John. This is a string. Age equals 25. This is an integer. Height equals 1.75. This is a float. Is student equals true. This is a boolean. Each type is used for a different purpose. Strings are for text. Integers are for whole numbers. Floats are for decimal numbers. Booleans are for true or false values. Let's combine everything together. Name equals John. Age equals 25. Print name. Print age. And just like that, you are now using variables in Python. This is one of the most important concepts in programming. In the next video, we will learn how to control the flow of your program using conditions.